Brother Shummus, can I get an Angus box, please?
Yeah, would you like anything else?
No, that's it, thank you.
That'll be £8.50.
Yeah, that's fine, bro. What you got cooking there?
We just started a beef brisket.
Beef brisket?
Yep.
Can I get that on my fries?
On your fries, yeah? That'll be an extra £5.
That's fine, bro.
I go on and on and on and don't take them to the crib unless they boning. Easy, call them on the phone and platinum Chanel cologne.
There you go. That's your third doner. 2 tenders, brisket loaded fries, and a Tion smash burger with a drink. That's £13.50.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Say no more except how I'm getting home tomorrow.